Previously on Nora G's Nook, I showed you how I transformed these terracotta pots into these beautiful looking Afrocentric home vases. Okay, so if you haven't checked out that video, make sure to check it out right after this video. Now back to today's video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nora G, and if you're new here, I would love it if you can hit that subscribe button and join my family. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed this wine glass, a broken wine glass, into some beautiful home decor. So the wine glass basically broke into two, strangely enough, and on second thought I didn't want to throw it away, so I decided to transform it into something beautiful looking. So here we are. It is very simple and straightforward. So I basically spray painted those marbles, which I am currently using over the wine glass, to create some sort of a globe. Disclaimer here, I did not break this glass for this DIY, okay? I just happened to be doing my dishes, and then the wine glass broke into two. And I was kind of surprised at how well it actually broke, like just in two and not in pieces. So I thought, so if this wine glass broke artistically, how about we transform it into a work of art? Alright, anyways. So I basically focused on gluing the marbles at the end where the glass broke. That's to cover that area. I'll be using these village accessories, some miniatures that I got from the Dollar Tree, to put on top of the marble slab, which I also got from the dollar store, to create the globe. Okay, it's gonna be like a snow globe, except this will not have any kind of snow inside. So I chose to glue them down on the marble slab just so it stays in place. Since they're very tiny, I could easily lose them if it's not glued. And there we have our tiny globe. Okay, so it's very easy, very simple. You can use this as a small statement piece on a vanity tray, like you will see me do towards the end of this video. So before we put it all together, I will go ahead to do the other end of the wine glass, of the broken wine glass, this part. So I got these unicorns, these crystal clear unicorns from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using them to create some form of a sculpture using the end of my wine glass. Just watch as I do this. Well, I know this is not a long video. However, if you've watched right up to this point, I will love it if you can comment glass in the comments section and show your girl some love. Yeah, go on and comment glass. I see you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Anyways, that's me just playing. But yes, do comment glass in the comments section and let's get chit-chatting, okay? Okay, so I went ahead and used two unicorns on this, just so it looks 3D, and you can actually turn it around and it's still going to show you a unicorn. The other part of the wine glass can actually go over this as well, but I am not done yet. So now I'll use my Mod Podge to actually add some more glitter at the bottom of the wine glass, just so it matches the unicorn, the horn and the tail of the unicorn, as you can see. So I allowed it to dry for about 2 to 3 hours. Then I went ahead and added some more coats, because as you can see right now, it is still very thin. And I needed to add some more layers of glitter and Mod Podge just so it is thicker. And then this is our final look. Now you can see there's a distinction with the wine glass bottom and the top. And that is me placing it on a vanity tray, which I DIY'd I think last year. You can check out that video, link will be found in the description box below. Do let me know in the comments section what your thoughts are about this broken wine glass transformation into home decor. So mine does not have any kind of snow in it, but if you choose to do this and you would love to add some snow into it to make it a snow globe, you can actually choose to use some Epsom salt or some shredded foam, shredded styrofoam. Yes, you can actually use that to create some form of illusion of snow inside yours. Okay, so I chose to keep this open without any snow because I wanted to be able to switch between that and the unicorn, as you can see. The gold vase you see right next to this, I also DIY'd that, and that was a thrift flip video where I transformed those vases. So you may want to check that out as well in the description box. So this was just a simple DIY with broken wine glass that I just wanted to share with you all, and so that will bring us to the end of this video for today. And if you did enjoy this video, please do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.